All right, so remember, I could not get this El Yuke to jump start, powering the car. It was just giving me all sorts of issues. So I'm at a point where I'm like, you know what? My time stops here. I'm not gonna dig further into this vehicle until they get me some proper terminals and replace that fusible link. Now here's why. Okay, so on the negative side, we're gonna check available voltage with our positive lead. On the actual battery, 12 volts. Terminal, 12 volts. Nut, or bolt should I say, 12 volts. Fusible link, 12 volts. Right there, zero. That does not appear that right there, that fusible link, well, actually, dang, through the sight glass, kind of don't look popped. But if I open her up right there, damn, it's barely popped. No wonder I was getting so much weird voltages. Fuck. I'm sure this cotter pin will make a difference. Get in there. Stay in there. Stay. I'm sure that cotter pin will make a difference. Hey, look, we got something happening. Oh, I see smoke. I saw smoke. And it sounds like shit. Woo. Oh my goodness. So that kind of worked, but it kind of didn't. Got the vehicle into the stall. Now what actually caused that to blow, I have no idea. That's why it's here. So we got to get it checked out. But first, starting with those janky terminals.